Thank you, Anna. Around the countryside, and in some cases water levels are still rising. However, by the weekend the flood conditions should have eased just about everywhere. We've got some big changes in the weather coming up. At the moment it's fairly mild, temperatures in double figures virtually nationwide, as high as 14 degrees in some parts of the UK, but gradually, day by day, as we go towards the weekend, it will get colder and colder, back into single digits. In fact, by Sunday it will feel very cold everywhere, barely above freezing across parts of the north, and for some of us, well, we'll be more concerned with snow than rain by then, and we'll see some widespread frosts at night. Now that's some way off. At the moment we're still not quite out of the woods in terms of rainfall. This shield of cloud across southern areas has brought further outbreaks of rain across South Wales and southern England. Fairly light and sporadic in nature. Further north, one way of sunshine, yes, but some very heavy showers getting into Northern Ireland, Western Scotland too. So a pretty showery and very blustery scene, particularly across Western Scotland, some rumbles of thunder. By contrast with some shelter, Eastern Scotland, North East England, having a beautiful afternoon. Plenty of sunshine. Further south, well, that rain continuing to drift eastwards into parts of East Anglia and the southeast, turning somewhat drier, maybe a little bit brighter in the west later on. Quite a blustery day in many places. Now the weather action tonight takes place at top and tail. Some showers, yes, in the northwest, some more prolonged rain, never far away from southern parts of England. Certainly a rather grey and increasingly damp scene here, and through the day it looks like that rain will turn heavier and more widespread, pushing up into many parts of Wales, eventually the Midlands and East Anglia, fringing into northern England. Further north though, some brightness, so yes, again the best of that across eastern parts of Scotland, North East England. Further heavy and prolonged showers across the north and west of Scotland, so too Northern Ireland. The wind picking up all the while, increasingly chilly wind gales in exposed parts of the far north. Temperatures not as high as they have been, 6 to 8 for Northern Ireland and Scotland, still scraping into double figures across the south. But that's the last time for a while. Certainly by Friday night, the fronts will be driving their way south eastwards, pushing showers with them, introducing much colder northwesterly winds. That wind will have a bite to it, certainly across the far northeast. Severe gales possible, pushing some frequent, heavy and increasingly wintry showers across the far north of Scotland. Plenty of brightness elsewhere. A lot of sunshine by Sunday on the plus side. On the minus side, some heavy snow showers in the north and the east. Anna.